dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes, dear students, we have done up to question number 4 of exercise 11.2. Please tell by commenting if you are having any doubt. Is there any doubt in these questions? Yes. Yes, I know these questions are of same type, that is we have to draw construction to the circle from the exterior point. Now let's see its question number 5. What is given? Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. What we have to do? First of all we have to draw a line segment AB. हमने क्या करना है? AB एक line segment लेना है 8 cm का. After that taking A as center, A को center लेके draw a circle of radius 4 cm. हमने क्या करना है? 4 cm radius का एक circle draw करना है. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. हमने फिर क्या करना है? B को सेंटर लेके एक दूसरा सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है जिसकी रेडियस कितनी है? 3 cm. फर्स्टली हमें क्या गिवन है? AB इज इक्वल टू 8 cm लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट. उसके बाद हमने क्या करना है? A को सेंटर लेके 4 cm रेडियस से एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. आफ्टर दैट टेकिंग B as सेंटर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अनदर सर्कल विद रेडियस 3 cm. After this construct tangents to each circle from the center of other circle. हमने क्या करना है? यहाँ से हमारे पास दो सर्कल होंगे, उन दोनों सर्कल पे हमने टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने एक दूसरे सर्कल के सेंटर से. Yes dear students, let's see how we will draw this question. Yes dear students, this is our question number 5. What we have to do? First of all draw a line segment AB of 8 cm. हम क्या करेंगे? 8 cm लेंथ से एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे. टेक इट एज A, B and let it is 8 cm. Now dear students, what we have to do? We have to take A as center. हमने A को सेंटर लेना है and draw. We have to draw a circle of 4 cm radius. Firstly we will mark at 4 cm. Let it is 4 cm. Now take it as radius. We will measure from A. We will draw a circle of 4 cm radius like this. It is our circle with radius 4 cm. Now dear students, take 3 cm distance on AB. It is 3 cm. And taking B as center, what we will do? We will take B as center and will draw a circle. हम क्या करेंगे? सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. These are our two circles of radius of radii. This is 4 cm and this is 3 cm. Now what we will do? We have to draw tangents on these two circles from centers of each other. Means हम A पॉइंट से इस सर्कल पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे और B पॉइंट से इस सर्कल पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे. For drawing what we will do? We will draw perpendicular bisector of AB. हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया? Take 8 cm. AB is equal to 8 cm. After that take 4 cm as radius and taking A as center we will draw a circle. After this taking B as center and with 3 cm radius draw another circle. Now draw perpendicular bisector of AB. हम क्या करेंगे? AB का perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे like this. Dear students, what we have done? We have drawn perpendicular bisector of AB. Now join these points. What we will get? We will get this perpendicular bisector point at AB. Let this perpendicular bisector is intersecting AB at point M. Now, as M is the perpendicular bisector of AB, so take M as center and AB as radius. क्या करेंगे, M सेंटर लेके AM रेडियस लेके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे लाइक दिस. We will draw circle in this way. Yes, what we will do, we will draw circle like this. We will draw circle. This circle will pass through A and B. Like this. Okay. Now, this circle is intersecting these two circles at 2 points. Let this is point T1 and let this is point T2. This is point T3 and this point is T4. Now what we will do, we will join this A to T1. हम क्या करेंगे, A को T1 से join कर देंगे like this. As we have to draw tangents to these circles from the center of each other circles. Now join A to T2. So AT1 and AT2 are the tangents drawn from this circle to this circle having center B. Now join BT3 and join BT4. These are the required tangents. Yes, these are the required tangents. This is the tangent and this one is the tangent. Yes, dear students, here AT1 is equal to AT2 and BT3 is equal to BT4. These are the tangents. Is it clear? This is our question number 5. I am repeating. First of all, what we have to do, first we will draw AB is equal to 8 centimeter. After it, take this distance as 4 centimeter and taking A as radius, draw a circle. Now taking B as center and take 3 centimeter radius, draw another circle. Now dear students, we have to draw tangents to this circle from point A and we have to draw tangents to this circle from point B. So for this what we will do, we will draw perpendicular bisector of AB. हम AB का perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. This perpendicular bisector will touch this circle and taking M as center, now we will draw another circle with radius AM or BM. हम क्या करेंगे, AM या BM को रेडियस लेके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे इन डॉटेड फॉर्म. This dotted circle is intersecting this circle at point T1 and T2 and this circle at point T3 and T4. So dear students, AT1 and AT2 are equal tangents drawn from point A to this circle and BT3 and BT4 are the required tangents drawn from center B to this circle. This is our question number 5.